big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. So in today's video, one of my homies, his little brother is a supporter of mine. He's been subscribed to me since I was at like a couple hundred subscribers. So today we're gonna surprise and pull up on him, but not in a regular way. So the video will be cutting up in the trenches with no hood.
Y'all are going to jail!
So we're gonna pull up on him. We're gonna take my hood off and we're gonna pull up on him, show him the car, get his reaction and all that. It's gonna be a very, very, very fun video. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 2,500 subscribers, man. And make sure you go enter the giveaway. The giveaway link will be in the description down below. I think this video is gonna be like very like I guess like special to me because like, this is somebody who I never met. They're very like, I don't know, like they're just like, they're showing support and like seeing knowing that one of my supporters wants to ride in my car and just like meet me and talk about stuff and just give them that experience of seeing somebody that's doing what they possibly want to do. Because who knows, maybe he wants to be a YouTuber, so this might be his motivation is to start that channel. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once my homie gets here so he can help me take off my hood.
A few moments later.
I got my homeboy right here, W subscriber. Hold on, let's see if I can get the light in here. Can't see his ass. All right, now we can see him better. This one of the supporters right here. Where can I find you at? YouTube, Instagram, where at? Instagram, what's your IG?
It's Don.for-real.
Don.for-real, all right, bet. Y'all know my homeboy, Kia Boy. Got that stinger outside. Bro, I heard, when you pulled it out, I heard, I'm like, yo, I know he's outside. But we about to hit the hood off in 1, 2, 3. All right, so the hood is off. Ready for that cutting up in the trenches, my boy?
Sir.
Hell yeah, but y'all know it's not no video. But after I start, we learned last time we can't fuck remote started with no hood. So I'm gonna jump in the car and we'll get his reaction. All right, got to turn the traction stability off. Yes, sir. Traction sport, stability off. How does this sound? It looked 10 times better with the manifold being painted. Like that motherfucker look crazy. We got the stars in this motherfucker too. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Let's get this on. All right, but we finna go cut up in the trenches, y'all. Finna see how you like them Burbles and all that. All right, man. So how long you been subscribed? Like how long have you been on my channel or watching my channel?
I'll honestly say for about like maybe like at least 4.5, 5 months.
That's the year when I started YouTube. Because I started in like October.
Yeah.
So you really been here for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
That is crazy. But yeah, man. Did you enter the giveaway?
No.
Come on now, dog.
Oh, L-Mans, bro, L-Mans. Why you enter the giveaway?
Cause honestly, bro, I don't think I watched the video that even said somebody giveaway.
Cap. Stop the cap.
Bro, I promise.
Oh my God. Them his first little pool. So wait, build your 5-car garage.
5-car garage. Like a sports car.
Anything. Any five cars.
Alright, probably. I'll throw a BMW in there.
What kind of BMW? You are a man of
M5.
taste. Oh my
Probably
god.
M5, sir.
Man of taste, bro. I need that G80. I need that G80. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe so I can get the G80, man. My boy SRT Land just got the fucking G80 too.
I thought like a 2014 Charger.
Like that by itself, like a second gen.
Yeah, like an SRT8, something like that. No, I don't really
That's
know.
my favorite generation of Charger. I swear.
Those are tough.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite gen of Charger right there. So the BMW and the second gen. What else?
I like old school cars, so I probably throw like a old school Impala, something in there.
Okay. Box Chevy, Impala, something like that. Okay.
I'll throw
You got good taste of cars so far. You ain't let me down yet.
SUV. I'll probably throw like some slight, probably like a Durango or something like that.
Cat Durango, RT Durango, Scott Durango. What you gonna throw in there?
I mean, yeah, I'll go with Cat.
Hellcat Durango.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
The truck, I'll probably just go. You need a truck, you know what I'm saying? So I'll just throw like a Ram 1500 in there.
Something simple, regular traffic. You don't want to be too flashy. Hell yeah. What's gonna be your 5-car garage, bro?
Shoot. Me? You know, I love JDM.
Hold on, come to the camera right here. I'm right here.
Shit, you know, I love JDM, even though I got a KDM right now. You know, that Kia Stinger. I'm rocking a KDM right now. But shit, RX-7 for
Oof.
sure. You
That
know,
feel side.
Mark IV Supra for sure. Shit, the Infinities. Oh my God, the bitches are clean too.
Facts.
Throw an Infinity in there.
Q50s and Q60s.
Hey, I want to give me a bike, but I don't know if my wife will let me. But if I could, it'll be a Hayabusa.
Hey, Boosa, baby, Boosa. What you know about that?
Hey, I don't
No
know nothing.
excuse on the Boosa.
Hey, honestly, I fuck with Chargers, man, but no disrespect, Jay. Everybody got a Charger.
Hey, bro, you know what's crazy? I love my Charger. I do not like Dodge, bro. I don't like Dodge because everybody does the same thing. But there's so many stereotypes on Dodge, bro. It's
Yeah.
Charger it is. Take over that. Like, I don't slide.
Shit. Shit. For my last car, the next car I really want to buy, I want a muscle car. So if I ever
Mopar, baby.
fuck no. if I ever get the money for it, shit, either a CTS-V
Oh, yes.
or a CT5 black.
Y'all got taste, bro.
Boy,
Oh my
what?
god. Them V's are no joke.
Yes,
Them
bro.
V's are no joke. I'm taking a V. As far as American cars, I'm taking a CTS-V over a Hellcat. But my dream American car is a 2019 Corvette ZR1. That is the best muscle car you can ever
Bro, you
get.
can't go wrong with Corvette.
You cannot go wrong with that, bro. Mustang too. I fuck with Ford. The GT500s, the new Johns, and the S197s, evil.
That damn Viper, bro. I want to sit in
Oh
one
my
of those
God.
things and do a pool.
Vipers are like just another breed of car.
Boy.
All right, y'all. So we made it to Mexico City. About to do some Mexico things. That first gear snap. Damn, broke his damn neck.
Whiplash back here, bro.
Oh God. Oh, what is that? Is that a cat?
I don't think that's a cat, my boy.
Nah, it got
Probably
it got the Hellcat from up on there though. It look like Boris, probably like a scat. I don't know where the Charlies. Don't need me a Charlie, bro.
Bro, I test drove that Charlie. I honestly came in there with bad intentions because I was like, damn, that's just a boat. I was
Nah.
like, maybe. So I test drove that thing.
That might be good.
That
Oh no,
shit's
he got
like-
V6 brakes. He do like me. What's up, my boy? We just sliding around town doing a little video. I guess there's one of his homies just called him accident. That was him inside the Charger with no hood. So sorry, I told him we be getting spotted out here, bro. Hey, big shout out to him for noticing. Big shout out to him for supporting him for sure. This is perfect. This shit in the tunnel be sounding stupid. You don't like the CS? I like them.
I don't know the body style. I really don't like it.
So we just got to the trenches, so y'all know how we finna act out here, man. About to act loud and proud. Bro, underground tuning. Tell them, bro.
They did it with that.
They did it with that. Hey, tell them, go get that tune for underground.
Hey,
man.
underground, bro. Hook your boy up in a Kia, man.
Hey,
go ahead, make that tune for the Kia. I'll cop it. I swear to God, I would.
Hey, one of one. I'll be the first to get a Burbles tuned underground Kia. Nah, that'll be tough. That'll be tough.
Yeah. What you think? What you think?
What you mean? That shit hard as hell.
How was it? It was loud? Hey man, just get it, bro. All you gotta do is get a charger or get anything that underground can tune. What's up? Come on.
That's what your daddy called. You got a charger as well.
You got a GC charger.
Oh, you got a GC?
Nah,
His dad.
Oh, bro, tell him get the underground too. Come on. All you gotta do is tell Underground that 36J sent you. They'll get you right.
Look, I love him, but he be scary, man. I remember when I first caught the Stinger. I drove it to his house. I was in the back roads over there in Mexico, and I'm over doing 130. He was like, "Hey, bro, I think there's a cop over there." No
I said,
cop.
nah.
Yeah, he didn't want to say.
Hell nah. All right, y'all. So we gonna head back over to the crib. How was the POV drive?
It's on fire.
You're on fire. Hell yeah. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get up to the crib. YouTube, am I tweaking? Or does that bitch say 6.2 liter in a Chevy Equinox?
What?
Yo, y'all just be doing anything. Not finna taunt them. There's no way you got a 6.2 liter Equinox LT. Bro. Bro. Ain't no fucking way, boy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yo, I'm like, yo, why that shit say 6.2? He must got a bigger engine than me. Now I'm finna see what you talking about. Come on. Oh no, don't run now. Got that 6.2 in it. Yeah, look. Yo, I'm like, no way he got 6.2 in that shit. Hold on, I'm finna throw the bitch in neutral, look. Hold on, I'm finna catch up to his ass. Finna chase him now. Bro, I knew I was not tripping when I saw 6.2 in that thing. All right, y'all. So we just got back to the crib. How you feel about it, man? So, like, your honest opinion. How do you feel about a tuned V6 Charger? And how you feel like it's moving?
Hard, bro. Honestly, bro. I mean, people be hating on it, but hey, bro, I ain't gonna cap, bro. It's nice, bro.
All right. And how do you feel about having the Burbles too for Underground on there too?
I think that's crazy, bro.
It's
That's
crazy.
Yeah, I'll tell you, that's crazy.
Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate it so much.
Hey,
Hey.
He said it sound like what?
it's like an AK, right?
That bitch be how your gun sound? How your gun sound? How your gun sound?
Hey, y'all boys can keep hitting on my boy in the V6, but y'all won't run it though. That's
Hey,
all I can say.
any
Y'all won't
lane,
run it.
bro. Win or lose, I'm just trying to get that content. But the last thing I'm gonna see, all I need you to do is pull out your phone, show me my Instagram and my YouTube, and show me that you're subscribed. Let's see.
Ooh,
Let's
real
see.
sense
The
right
pressure's on. So go to my YouTube. Let's see if you really subscribe. Let's go.
here. Let's see if you faking it or not.
Faking nothing. It's right here.
Oh,
Ah,
first up.
subscribe.
Hold on. Go ahead and click that. Oh! Okay, now go to my IG. Same thing.
Jeez. Hold on. I think I'm subscribed.
He said, whoa. Now he's like, oh.
I'm subscribed.
Nah, I don't know IG, bro. Oh, what the world?
Let's see,
3679.
Yeah, what's 7'9"?
I don't know.
Oh! All right. Now, this is the last thing I need you to do. All right, go to the YouTube, go enter the giveaway, and I'm going to show you which one it is. All right, but now we got him entered into the giveaway, so let's see.
Got it right there.
Hell yeah, bro. Hey, man. Big shout out to you. I'm glad I was able to give you this opportunity to see the car. This is the first for me to have some, like, because honestly, very big shout out to you because you told me that your brother watching my channel. He been tuned in since like what, the past 5-6 months. So this is definitely one of my OD subscribers. So remember this video. When I hit like 1 mil, or I hit like, or when I get my first plaque, I'm gonna find you. And we gonna make a W video, bro. Big shout out to you. But that'll be it for today's video. Big shout out to my boy right here. Tell them where they can find you at.
Hey, Ron Killer 35 on the IG.
Where they can find you at?
It's Don.FR on IG.
Hell yeah. It's 36J and I'm out. Bow.